Good afternoon, Texans. This is Ms. Ward. I'm here to do a quick addendum to the Naviance training video. This is for how to order or request a transcript that you will either pick up or one that needs to be mailed. Just so you know, anytime a transcript doesn't go from institution to institution, it is unofficial. So for example, if you pick up a transcript and you take it to UNT, it's not considered official. However, if we send it from here to UNT, then it is. So be real careful with what kinds of transcripts you need in your quest for post-secondary options. You'll go to colleges, you'll go to apply to college, you'll go to manage transcripts. At this point, you will click this big red button and say, I need an other transcript, okay? Because you're talking about one for pickup or one that we need to mail somewhere. You will choose initial because the only people with final ones are those who have graduated. You'll choose what you need it for. You'll give it a due date, okay? And then you will start to fill out if you are mailing, you'll fill out the name and address of where you need it to go, okay? And then you'll request and finish. If you want one for pickup, then you don't need to do this over here. You can just go over here and put for pickup. Oh, you do need your name, sorry. And then you click request and finish. So, here's your number that you indeed requested the transcript, and then what will happen is within 48 hours you'll receive an email stating your transcript is ready for pickup or saying that your transcript was mailed to such and such, and that comes through your email. All right, hope this helps. Have a good day.